wonderful outdoors. You know, the outdoors are pretty fun. And you know, there's even a class where you can learn about all the things outside. There's biology, and then there's the cool stuff, what cool kids do, AP Biology. Now, we have a few tips of advice for you as recent AP Biology students that are upon completion of this year. Hope you enjoy.
Rule number 1, do not procrastinate. Now, I procrastinated my homework fourth quarter, and my final grade tanked because of that. And also, don't procrastinate tests. She gives you a lot of online tests, and if you procrastinate and you forget to take it by the due date, you will get a 0. And Miss Shoemate does not like that.
Rule number 2, Miss Shoemate gives you a lot of opportunities to better your grade. Also, what we like to call extra credit. Take advantage of this extra credit because you never know when you're going to do bad on a test or something, or if it's really difficult or you didn't study. So take advantage of it. It can be your insurance and your lifesaver.
Rule number 3, get to know your AP Bio family, as they can become a great help to you. I became really tight with my AP Bio family, and I got to meet some really cool people. And we're still friends, and I love these people. They're like a real family to me.
Rule number 4, read all of the chapter for the reading guides. Don't just fill out the reading guides. That's not a good idea because if you do that, you might miss, as in a lot of questions on the quizzes and or tests. So, yeah, do that on the reading guides because they can and will be held against you on the quizzes and tests.
Rule number 5, study well in advance, both for the class and for the exam. I mean, who studies the night before nowadays, right? Alright, also take advantage of Mrs. Shoemate allowing you to borrow one of the books, the review books, to study for, because they contain general information that can help you understand basics of certain units and chapters. Remember, studying progressively rather than all the night before has been scientifically proven to enhance your memory.
Rule number 6, if you have a question, ask Miss Shoemate. She can help. She doesn't bite. At least, we don't think she does. She does, I think she would know. Or we would know, but you never know. But anyways, ask her because she can help, and she's really good at explaining things.
Ah, the lovely outdoors. Brings me to my next point. Beautiful rule number 7. You see this flower? Well, when you get to the plant unit, you gotta do this. Don't enjoy the plant unit. Mrs. Shoemate doesn't like it.
Rule number 8, get through the year, because at times it feels impossible. However, the key to success is good time management and a thought-out study plan. I know because I've learned. I used to do stuff at the last second, which I still kind of do. It's not good. It's not fun when you're sitting there at 3 o'clock in the morning doing AP Biology homework. Don't get me wrong, I mean, doing AP Biology homework is a blast, but, you know, it's just not fun at 2 in the morning.
Alright, this is probably the most important rule of our 11 rule list. Rule number 9, the 4 commandments of AP Biology.
Thou shalt not kill. Living things in front of Miss Shoemate.
Thou shalt not lie about doing your homework.
Thou shalt not steal. Pencils from Miss Shoemate.
Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's paper.
Rule number 10, participate in labs. Do them right, because I didn't one time, and so Miss Shoemate called me up, and she told us not to pour the substance down the sink, and knowing me, I did. And so what did I learn from this? Listen to the directions during a lab, because I had to stay and clean it out of the sink, which is not bad, but I learned my lesson. So do the labs, do them right, and enjoy them. Rule number 11.
You stay classy, Cox Falcons.